जोंनि आफ्रानुखा तिप्राहास्टेव तुमाइन सुजेनांग थांगा TSF rock movement khai borok agok thangmani ras babandi happen borok kasoi narak jagai circuit house so boroni movement borok peacefully carry on khai tongmani haifanu jung tumanukha je police personnel rock the Tripura police rock boroni sakawa tear gas lathi charge water cannon by attack Khaimano. A brutal attack has been done by the Tripura police yesterday upon the TSF supporters. Borok tuma demand khaiga thangmani. Boron demand tambo. Boroni rights. Roman script no kok borok sajago implement khaigan baga. Omongka boroni rights. And this is not a new demands. TSF ni demands bu amano 50 years ago chini movement ungani to hyphen government, the government of India and government of Tripura. They are not ready to hear our voice. Boni bagai mi afro sunukha TSF supporters rock, students rock, boroni movement demands non sunukha hyphen sung tumanukha je student ni sakawo sakna ya khaigi attack khaijamoni a brutal attack zubu zolega sung nukhangke Boni bagai we condemn the incident that has happened yesterday. The police personnel law boroni sako amta hake Khaimani sung condemn khayo. We demand the government to take immediate action against the police officials who has instructed to make a brutal attack upon the TSF supporters. Borok are peacefully khaitumani. They are unarmed, but they were attacked brutally. We can see many students has been injured and hospitalized. Teman bagai omongan nangka. Student ni sakawo teman bagai police officials om take attack khaga nangkana. A unlawful attack sung nubuje. Boni bagai sung TSF condemn khaye. Te sung TSF borok no support khaye te borok ni loge sung tongu borok ni je movement borok me fro je peacefully borok movement khai tongmani akawo attack khai jangmana sung condemn khaye TSF ni ngai te government immediate action nagang thung sung omono sung TSF ni ngai chini demand tongnai totan hambai